When someone comes to my office facing criminal charges, they are scared. They don't understand the charges that they are facing or the potential consequences. I help to alleviate someone's fears when they're facing criminal charges in regard to the outcomes, because many people like to Google what the outcome could be. And Google might tell them what the standard statute says the maximum penalty can be for their charge. But they come here and I can tell them, based on the circumstances of their case, they could be facing something completely different. At our firm, we handle all types of criminal charges, regardless of what the charge can be. You may feel that you can handle your own criminal case, but the purpose of hiring a criminal defense attorney is so that you have someone with the knowledge and expertise to understand how to maneuver the confusing criminal court system that isn't just the penal code, the charges that you are facing, but also has a lot of confusing procedures that have to be taken into account when you are being prosecuted. When someone comes to my office facing criminal charges, I look at every piece of evidence, not only the evidence that the prosecution has, but also the evidence on the side of my client. So I know how to put together the entire case so to present it in the best possible light for my client to the court to get the most favorable outcome. I've actually had a case where my client was being charged and was adamant that they had the wrong person. Based on that being presented to me, I did my background check. I looked at records that were being held by the local city, and I was able to prove to the prosecution that they had the wrong guy, and indeed, the charges were withdrawn. That's the type of dedication I have to my clients. I do not have someone come into my office and, because they're facing charges, dismiss their account merely because they are facing charges in a criminal court. If you've been charged with a crime, time is of the essence. Call us today for a free consultation.